What's going on, you guys? Cam6 TV here. Today we're gonna do a little video on Auxbeam LED headlights. These are not sponsored. They're not, a company telling me, hey, yo, can you review this for me? No, this is an honest review from a customer, and I actually do run it in this vehicle for almost 3.5 years, and it's still kicking. So pretty obvious they made a good product, and I'm gonna be a repeat customer at that point because 3.5 years later, and it's still going bright, no flickering, nothing. Headlights are still working fine. Why not, right? So I'm going to be working on the 2006 F-150. It currently has halogen headlights, the normal yellow ones. You can't see nothing out of it. Early in the morning, you're driving before the sun starts coming up. You can barely see. You have to put the high beams on. And obviously, you can't have high beams on when somebody's approaching you because you'll blind them. When you're driving at night and you're in the country roads, you can't see nothing. You got to have the high beams on. Same thing, blind corner, somebody's coming, you have your high beams on, very dangerous. So my 06 F-150 uses a 9008 light bulb. Basically, it's a high beam, low beam, all in one. Auxbeam carries that light bulb with the chip inside of it. It's part number 886235535 HL. Auxbeam H13 LED bulbs. These are brand new. That's the way it comes in the packaging, shrink wrapped, so it's pretty safe. Again, I am not sponsored, so this is just me using this product 3.5 years ago on this truck right here, and it's still kicking. Might as well use it on my F-150, right? So with no further ado, let me get to the unboxing and then installation. So this is how it looks. It's all shrink wrapped. Auxbeam. Start unboxing it right now. And Auxbeam, I really love your guys' products. Your warranty is 1 year, I believe, and I kind of wish it was a little longer, but I know why it's 1 year, because you won't need it in 1 year. So after you unbox it, this is what it looks like. I always love their packaging. It just looks so elegant. And those are the LEDs. Yep, those are the LEDs. No! No! Let's get to the installation. For this job is going to be a 10mm socket, ratchet or electric ratchet, doesn't matter, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver right here. Unscrew that. 10mm, 10mm, 10mm.